Hello friends, today we are going to discuss Financial Accounting Unit 3, that is Bank Reconciliation Statement. So let us discuss with the theoretical point of view, because if you know theory then only you are able to do the problem. So what is BRS? So BRS stands for Bank Reconciliation Statements. So the board itself, it is telling that we are going to reconcile the things, means we are going to compare the things. What we are going to compare the things here? We are going to compare our cash book with the passbook. Let us go with the theorem. It is a statement, or we can say it is a summary showing the difference between the balances shown in the cash book as well as the passbook. So we will be having one cash book with us and we will be having passbook with the bank. So passbook is maintained by the bank and cash book is maintained by the customer. So when we are talking about this, sometimes we will get the differences in the cash book as well as in the passbook. Those differences we are going to find out, which is called as the bank reconciliation statement. And who will prepare this one, guys? Normally this is prepared by the customer, or we can say trader who is doing the business. That person particularly, he will prepare the bank reconciliation statement. This point is very important. Next important thing is, what is the need to prepare the bank reconciliation statement, or you can say what are the reasons for preparation of the bank reconciliation statements, or you can say advantages of bank reconciliation statement. All are same only, you can write these points only. So why we will prepare bank reconciliation statement, or what is the advantage, means we can ascertain the correct position of the company, particular cash book or passbook. That is the main reason. Second one is to identify the mistakes in the cash book and passbook, or to avoid the frauds. We are preparing the BRS, or to identify the reasons behind the delay. Suppose we deposited into the bank but it is not collected by the bank. What is the reason? What is the reason for delays? All these we can find out using the bank reconciliation statement. Most important, remember this one, bank reconciliation statement is prepared once in a month usually, or sometimes it is prepared quarterly or half yearly also, but usually it is prepared once in a month. Next, come to the what is cash book and what is passbook. It is very important. See, cash book we are having, normally cash book is a book which is maintained by the customer, and passbook is a book which is it is a, simply we can say it is the copy of the customer which is maintained by the bank. It is maintained by the bank, and we are ourselves maintaining one book which is called as the cash book. And you know that one cash book is used as a dual purpose. It is both journal as well as the ledger, but it is only a copy of the customer's cash book. Okay. Next, come to the debit and credit of the cash book. See, debit of the cash book always it shows plus, and credit it always shows minus. Means whenever cash book is debited, the amount will be increasing. Whenever the cash book is credited, the amount will decrease. Come to the same passbook. When you passbook debited means it is amount decreases, passbook credited means automatically it shows the plus symbol. These are very important. Remember, while doing the problems we will use this technique only, simple techniques, to get the correct answer. Okay. Next, in the 4 marks you may get what is favorable balance and unfavorable balance. See, favorable balance is simply nothing but what, debit side of the cash book, that is plus symbol, and passbook credit side, what it is, cash book debit side, and passbook credit side is called as what, favorable bank balance. That is amount is increasing, we are having the balance. What is unfavorable balance? This unfavorable balance is also called as overdraft. What we are calling overdraft, we will also call it as overdraft. Simply it is nothing but what, cash book credit side, that is minus amount, and passbook debit side is called as what, unfavorable balance. In the problems also you will get 4 types of problem, that is cash book favorable balance problem and passbook favorable balance problem, cash book unfavorable balance problem, and passbook unfavorable balance of problem. So 4 types of problems you may get in the exam. Any type you may get, favorable or unfavorable. Okay. Next, very important question, every time if theory question is asked in the long question, this is the first question they are going to ask, that is causes or reasons for the disagreement between cash book and passbook balances. Why we will prepare the cash book and the passbook balances. So coming to the first one, it is check issued but not presented for the payment, check deposited but not collected. So these are the reasons. See, we have issued the check and we have not presented for it is not presented for the payment, then there is a difference in the cash book and passbook balances. To know these difference, we will prepare the bank reconciliation statement. Remember here, cash book. Okay, I am telling some techniques while doing the problems. You can really see, this is debit side, this is credit side, right? Whenever issued word is there, check issued, it is plus, it is minus, right? In the cash book, in the passbook it is minus and plus. So whenever issued, cash book will be always minus only. Next, whenever check is deposited, cash book is always plus only. Remember these techniques. Check issued means minus in the cash book, and check deposited means in the cash book you have to record plus only. Next one, interest or dividend directly collected by the bank. See, cash book plus and minus, passbook minus and plus. Okay, this is debit, this is credit, right? Now what he is saying, interest and dividend directly collected by the bank. So we don't know, cash book is maintained by us, right? Directly collected by the bank means automatically when we are doing some investment, so automatically we will get some amount, right? Like that only from the business we will get the dividend, so it is plus amount. So always remember, interest and dividend directly collected by the bank. In the passbook it is plus, automatically cash book will show less amount. Okay, remember this one also. Next one, dishonor of check. Dishonor of check always minus in the passbook. Okay, remember this one. Or wrong entries in the cash book, wrong entries in the passbook. These are the reasons for the disagreement between the cash book and passbook balances. So all this remember thing. Next one, coming to the format of problems. Simple format we are having, that is particular amount. Okay, now one by one we will do the problems. Now we will start the problems, guys. Now you can see in the problem, that is balance as per cash book is given. So as it is in the format, first we will write down, that is balance as per cash book. Balance as per cash book is given, that is 3,25,000. Outer column you have to write 3,25,000. See, whenever you are reading problems, make sure that when balance as per cash book is given, you have to find out balance as per passbook. Okay, now one by one transaction we will do. For that purpose, prepare like this. First, whenever you are doing BRS problem, so you have to prepare cash book as well as the passbook. So which one we are going to consider? So cash book is given balance as per cash book, we are going to take a passbook balances only. As per passbook only we are going to consider. See the second transaction, check issued. First transaction as it is we will record, remaining transactions we will do according to cash book and passbook. Now see, check issued but not presented for the payment. I told you in the theory only, right? Check issued, whenever it is issued, cash book will be decreasing, right? We will think that okay, we are giving check to somebody means automatically our balance will decrease. So cash book always minus. So opposite, passbook automatically it shows increasing balance. So according to passbook it is showing which one? Increase. So add. So what is the balance given? 4,47,500. 4,47,500 is given. Okay, as per passbook. Next one, check deposited but not yet credited. Okay, check issued is 5, sorry, it is how much? 3 lakhs. Okay, the amount is 3,56,200 is given. Okay, next, check deposited but not yet credited, 4,47,500. See, whenever checks deposited, I told you in the cash book it is always plus, so automatically passbook will be opposite. So one is increasing means another will be decreasing. So according to passbook it is showing less. So in the less we will do how much amount? 4,47,500. Okay, next, fourth transaction, bank charges debited by the bank but not recorded in the cash book. Bank charges debited, bank charges, bank word it implies what? Passbook. Bank charges debited, debited means debit side, this one, right? So automatically it is showing what? Minus. Minus means decrease, automatically cash book will be showing increase. So according to passbook it is which one? Less. According to passbook it is less. How much amount? 1250. Okay. Next, fifth transaction, dividends directly collected by the bank. I already told, directly collected by the bank, dividends or interest, it is always plus in the passbook, right? So dividend directly collected by the bank, it is plus in the passbook. Automatically cash book will be showing less. So according to passbook, it is add. Plus means add. How much amount? 12,500. 12,500. Okay. Next, sixth transaction, insurance directly paid by the bank. So he is talking about the bank. Bank means passbook. So paying means automatically minus. So directly paid by the bank. So automatically cash book will be showing. We didn't record it in the cash book, right? So we are thinking we are having 500, but insurance 200 was automatically deducted. So here we are having only 300, here 500. So according to passbook, it is less. How much amount? 15,900. Okay. Next one, cash sales wrongly recorded in the bank column of the cash book. Automatically cash sales, we are thinking that sales, it is increase in the cash book. Automatically passbook will be showing less. So automatically according to passbook, it is less. How much? 25,500. Okay. Next, eighth one, customer check dishonored. I already told, dishonored always passbook minus, cash book will be plus. So according to passbook, it is less. How much amount? 13,000. So all the transactions we recorded. Now what we have to do means, in the format for the cash book we are having, right, balance as per cash book. We have to add certain transactions and we have to deduct certain transactions, right? First we will do add transactions. Okay. First one will be as it is. Next we will add transactions. How many are there? We will see first of all. Okay. So how many add transactions are there? First we will see. Okay. So first one is add, second one is less. So add transactions we will find out. Third one, and how many? Only two transactions are there. uh, yeah, only two transactions are there. Yes, only two transactions are there. We will see what are these two transactions. So you have to write everything. Okay, whatever given in the question you have to write. See, second transaction, see I don't have a place, that's why I'm writing directly. Second transaction, you have to write the entire transaction, right? Entire transaction. Okay, you have to write entire transaction. Okay. First we will say add, right? How many are there? Two. That is second transaction, that is 3,56,200. And which transaction next we are having? See, we are having this one. Which one? Fifth transaction. Okay. Fifth transaction also add is there. So fifth transaction is how much? 12,500 is there. 12,500. Now what we have to do? We have to add these two and we have to add to the total amount. So we will take the calci. This is 3,56,200 plus 12,500. How much it is? Directly you can write in the outer column, that is 3,68,700. Okay. Then 3,25,000 plus 3,68,700, it will come to 6,93,700. This is the total. Now what you have to do, after adding the add transactions, we have to deduct less transactions. Okay, less transactions. So how many less transactions are there? Here you can see third transaction is there, then fourth transaction is there, then sixth transaction, seventh, eighth, all are less transactions. So we will record all these transactions also. First one is how much? Less transaction. Which one? First one is third one. Third transaction amount is how much, guys? 4,47,500. Next we are having fourth transaction also, that is 1,250. Then sixth transaction is there, that is 15,900. then seventh transaction, that is 25,500. Next eighth transaction is also there, that is 13,000. Okay, now we will do the total of this one also. Okay, now see, 4,47,500 plus 1,250 plus 15,900, 15. Okay, wait a minute. So 4,47,500 plus 1,250 plus 15,900 plus 25,500 plus 13,000. So what is the total? It is 5 lakhs 0 5 lakhs 03,150, that is 5 lakh 3,150. So from the total we have to deduct this amount. Okay, now see, 6 lakhs 93,700 minus 5 lakhs 3,150. So what is the balance? It is 1,90,550. This is what balance. What we have to write here? We have to write here balance as per passbook, because cash book is given. We have find it out all the transaction according to cash passbook, right? So balance as per passbook. Remember one thing while doing the problems. So whenever the cash book is given, you have to find out the passbook. Okay, now one thing I want to tell you that, remember while you are doing the problem, if it is overdraft is given, overdraft, what is the meaning of overdraft? Already I told, right? Minus sign. Sometimes you will give directly unfavorable balance of cash book, unfavorable balance of passbook, or sometimes you will give cash book credit balance, means it is also unfavorable balance. Passbook debit balance, it is also nothing but what? Passbook debit balance means it is nothing but unfavorable balance. Or cash book credit balance, it is also nothing but overdraft or unfavorable balance. Now simply what you have to do means, whenever the problem is given like that, suppose example same problem is given as overdraft, at the time what you can do means, simply remember, simply balance as per cash book, overdraft is given, suppose example. So now what you have to do the problem as it is, just like a normal problem. Instead of writing add, here add is there, right? After completing all the transaction, instead of add, write down here less. Instead of less, here you have to add. Then here again less is there, so you have to add. Then add is there, less. Then again here also less, you have to make it into add. Then less is there, make it into add. Then it is also add. So just what you have to do, reverse you have to do, reverse. Normal problem if you are doing in a reverse, then it is a overdraft problem. It is a simple technique. So if you are able to do the normally, you can do. Otherwise do the normal problem. If you are unable to do that one, then reverse the transactions, then automatically you will get the overdraft answer. Okay, hope you understood bank reconciliation statement. Thank you.